But your taste bud need all this taste, spicy,
Yes.
hot, chili, sweeter, bitter, right? So that if your taste bud don't have all this taste, it will not stimulate your brain. Hey, sorry to interrupt. But if you want to live a long and healthy life, then make sure you're not making these 5 mistakes. I have put them in a free guide for you. Just click the link in comments down below to get it for free. You're going to feel so much better. And it will cause issues for the future. That's why it's important not to just eat one particular type of food. You need a well-rounded, balanced diet. I always tell people. I have no special diet for myself. I eat what is good for me. Only thing I know that I'm lactose intolerance, that I will not drink or eat dairy product or have a bit of milk in my tea. Coffee is fine, but I will not do that because I will get diarrhea, constipation, bloating. It's not because I'm not healthy. It's because I'm lactose intolerant. It's not because I'm weak. It's part of my system, right? So I just avoid it. If I'm allergic to peanuts, if I take peanut, people get rashes everywhere, then you better stop eating peanuts, right? Correct?
Yes.
If I eat clam or prawns and then suddenly I get rashes everywhere, that means you're allergic to it. So you better stop it. It's very simple.
Yes.
But because we have a conquering mind, we want to fight against it. But the body are built like that. You can't change the body.